Hey there folks, so today I'm actually doing a little unboxing of the Sleep Muffs by Blistill. Blistill is founded by Oliver Masson, who is a UNSW alumni, and he's been part of the Founders Coach and Connect program for about a year now. I know he's worked with Gregory and with Jonathan and Nathalie, and it's really exciting because I put some money into his Kickstarter about a year ago. It was May last year, and to see now the product has arrived, it's amazing. So I'm going to show you my first impressions of the Sleep Muffs by Blistill. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so first thing is that these Sleep Muffs come in this cute little carry bag. So that's pretty convenient because these are designed for traveling, really. So that's really cute, nice little logo. Anyway, let's open it up. As you can see, that's what it looks like. I think I got it, there we go, that's the right way up. The material, the design is beautiful. I can tell you kind of first thing out of the box that the quality feels really good. You can tell this is a well-made product. The material has that nice kind of like memory foam, but it's quite firm, so you can see it would be very supportive. The outer material is gorgeous. It also feels really nice. It's got that kind of like nice stretchy material, almost like, I don't know if you ever had a cuddle buddy. Those pillows are really, really cool. But let's see how well it actually blocks out sound. It's actually pretty amazing. I can't hear a thing in there. It really blocks out. It feels like you're wearing noise cancelling headphones, but it's actually really comfortable. I can see how this would be really comfortable if you were like sleeping on a plane or a train or on the bus or something. You can feel the neck support there. Yeah, and it really blocks out the sound. So, wow. Pretty cool, very cool. Good job, Oliver and the Blistill team. These are retailing for $149 at the moment, but I believe that Blistill have a little sale on for $129. So do go check it out if you are someone who, you know, like me, you don't like to have noisy environments. Maybe you are a light sleeper, or maybe you do a lot of travel. So really cool. So well done, Oliver. I'm excited to use this on my first flight, whenever that might be in the near future.